Flagstaff is and always will be a railroad town.
We wouldn't be standing here at all, guys, if it weren't for the trains themselves. Flagstaff was built around the trains. It was a train city to begin with. So we owe everything that we have and everything that's here to the trains. So we love the trains. It's the sound of the horns that we will not miss, and then we are glad that they're gone.
We have over 100 trains coming through each day, and you can get that great train experience. However, you will have a restful night of sleep without any train horns.
Our safety slogan is that the train horns are gone, but the trains aren't. Look, listen, and live.
What's your favorite part about a train?
It's the favorite part is the horn.